Alright, it's a London session again and 2 times speed. So you can see my support and my resistance right there. And what I want to buy would be up there on the resistance zone just above it. And then for me to go to sell, it needs to go under that line that I also marked. It looks better for sells than buys, just to let you know. But I am looking at positions where I could possibly go for buy early than all the way there. So let's see what price gives us. One thing I can also see is that there's a trend line as well. And the trend line, you can see how price tried to break the trend line, but it couldn't break the resistance. So it came back and followed the trend. So that kind of makes it seem like you would want to go for sells more than buys. But yeah, that line right there also showed that it could be another area where you could go for buys. But let's see. I'll execute if I can see something that I want. But I am looking to go buys earlier based on the support, and the support has been tested, and it looks like it's testing the trend line as well. So I would be going for a buy right there as soon as it gives the opportunity to go for buys. Okay, cool. I'm basically entered right here. Stops are basically 3 points from entry. This time I'm a bit more precise. I'm not like all around the place like last time. So let's see. As soon as I entered, it seems like it rejected and went straight down. The insane volume to the downside is what led for me to go for sells right there. I should have maybe waited for those wicks for it to like break past the wicks and then enter for the buy, possibly to avoid the loss. But it is what it is. The target in 1 to 2, of course. So 3 points was my stop loss. So yeah, this volume was very nice. I entered like very nice, and I thought it was gonna retest the support zone and then start going down, but you'll see what happens. So far it's looking good, looking like has retested the zone and it's looking to head down. I'm quickly making sure that the position that I entered is marked on TradingView, like so I can have the proper entry and exit and all of that for you guys to see. And you're gonna see that my entry was pretty solid where I said I wanted to enter. And it seemed good, and I thought like, okay, cool, like maybe it's just trying to retest the zone one more time before going down, right? That's what I thought. But the way that price is playing right here, it's just wasn't convincing enough to see that price wants to go lower, even though it's bearish. It's following the trend line. It's broken the support. It gave a lot of volume when it was coming down. So many reasons to it, and I just thought maybe, okay, like it's maybe trying to retest the trend line, right? Like you can see on the TradingView how I marked it out. I thought it was trying to retest the trend line, but it really wasn't. It just came up and it's just took me out instantly, and it seems like it's making the move for buys right now. And yeah, as I'm speaking right now, I've seen that it went for buys. So I ended up losing 2 positions today on London session, and my account's now around £19. As you probably saw on the screen, it was around £19. I lost around like £4 and £2, around £2.20 per position. And yeah, it's not really much to say. I mean, it looks like London session's making the move after, because I'm gonna pop the screenshot right up here. But as soon as it took me out in both sides, price just went, and it just went for buys straight up. So may need to be even more careful now, but let's see in it, because there are times where London session where price just moves instantly and it gives us the entry, like for the past few weeks where I was telling you that London session is winning for gold, and now suddenly as soon as I hopped on it, it's like, oh, like let's just bring back a losing streak for me. Like, what's going on? Yesterday should have been a winning day, to be fair, so I can't really call it a losing streak. Yeah, I mean, okay, what can we do? Can't do anything in it. Can't do anything. Yeah, next clip will be me trading York session. Alright, there is NQ on the left and YM on the right. Maybe try looking at the 5 minutes, see if there's anything from there. If not, the 1 minute. Okay, I can see that NQ's kind of created some structure here. I can see this trend line here. Seeing this, I'm also seeing zones here. And if I really am going to be going for a buy, I'll possibly want to see something around this area. And then for sales, I'll probably be looking around. This could be one area, and this could be one area too. Be looking around this area. Not gonna lie with you, but I'm gonna have to go with 15-point stops though. Yeah, I'm gonna have to definitely go with 15 point with this, whether it's a buy or a sell. And then for YM, well, YM's looking promising too, especially for sales, as there's a big gap for price to fill. I'm seeing something here. Also seeing that there's a nice trend line formed as well. That price could possibly carry on going down. Or if I want to go for buys, I'll most likely be looking for somewhere here. Price to break above. Yeah. So for price to break above, I'll be looking around here. And for this, it has to be 30 points. Yeah. 40 is too much. Yeah, I'm looking for 40. Sorry, I'm looking for 30. Alright. So for MI, I'm looking for around 17 contracts for 30 point. And then for NQ, I'm looking at 8. Let's see which one price wants to get first. Let's give it a sec. Let's give it a sec. Let's give it a sec. It's not enter instantly. Wow, we smashed instantly. Okay, well, NQ would have been a W, but there's reason for why I'm hesitant. Okay, well, okay. What the hell is going on today? I couldn't even jump on it that quick. Okay, good thing I didn't jump on it instantly. Based on that, I have to look at the 1 minute and see potential reversals. Okay, I'm going for buys. I'm looking at it and I'm seeing a reversal. This is an area where I could have went for a buy. So let's see what price wants to do. It's gonna chop, or if it's gonna give me. So far it doesn't look good, I'm not gonna lie. But let's see. Let's see. That crazy fake out, by the way. My only problem is this, that price reacted off. Let's see. I'm gonna take this out as I didn't enter this. wow, NQ was beautiful today. NQ was genuinely beautiful today. And to be honest, I'll be honest, when I saw how price opened, I thought it was just gonna fake me out with NQ. So that's why I was just a bit too hesitant. And I would have got faked out as well. But damn. Okay. Why I'm just not looking too good. I'm gonna be looking for reversals. I'm gonna take a trade. Okay. I'm in now. Definitely a reversal trade now. If price does, let's say, oh, it just took me out. What's going on? I'm still in the trade, but it still took me out. My account got locked. Wow. Wow. I think I got locked out, which is crazy. Yeah, I think I got locked out. I think the account's done. Wow, look at this losing streak. Insane. Yeah, I think the account's done. Well, let's see what price would have done. Okay, wow. Definitely this would have taken me out. Yeah. This is crazy. Definitely would have taken me out. So, yeah. So my account's gone. And probably gonna have to get a new account now. Yeah. It is what it is. Start for fresh. And yeah. This video is a very long video as well. It's okay. So what I'm gonna do is tomorrow probably gonna have to cop another account and try again. I mean, this is a road to 1 mil in funding, and I know it's gonna be difficult and I know it's gonna be a challenge. So all good. We'll come back tomorrow and with a fresh account. So well, it should have ended up being a W today, but instead it ended up being an L. I have been trading properly. I'm done it wrong. The NQ just seemed a bit too crazy, so I don't want to get in there too early. But you could have really went for 1, 2, 3 on NQ sales right there. Today really should have been a winning day as well. I need to start to become more like considerate with NQ as well, instead of just kind of being hesitant and not wanting to enter on it because of the way it's acting. So from now onwards, if I see a setup like that, I'm just gonna take it, whether it's NQ, YM, and yeah, that's all really to say. I mean, should have been 2R yesterday, 2R today, or maybe even 3R, depending on how I'm trailing. But yeah, instead I'm down 1R. Yesterday I think I was down 2R, so it's not looking good, to be honest. I'm telling you, before I started a new challenge, I was profitable. Like, I was actually, passing accounts, and I'm just not able to get to the payout stage. That's how it is. But now it looks like I can't even start winning anymore, except for like one trade last week. Is what is. Come back tomorrow, and yeah, I just wanted to come in, tell you the end result.